Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in to another video. Got the signature tour in here, right here in front of you guys. Changing out the fuel filter. This one is a Motorcraft still. Seems to be original to the car. Looks to be. It's dirty as heck. When I was shaking it, I don't know if you guys could see that, but you can see like the dirt coming without the fuel, coming with the fuel out. Yeah, it was time for a new filter. So I ordered two of these filters, one for this car and one for the other Lincoln. The other Lincoln has this filter in it. I changed it maybe about 4 years ago, and figured it's time to do another one. So I bought two of them. Gonna do this one, and when I get the other Lincoln back, as you guys can see, I don't have it with me, but that's another story. But for right now, gonna be changing out this filter, oil fuel filter. Bought this on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description if you guys want to get it. What's cool about this filter is that it has all the other part numbers for the other filters. So you got like a Motorcraft, CarQuest, Champ, Fram, Wix, all that good stuff. The part number for the Motorcraft is FG986B. Can't even see if the part number's on this anymore. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pause this video, get the new fuel filter ready. Bam. New clips. Make sure you guys follow direction where it says flow. So we'll be right back. Go like that. And there you got it, guys. Brand new fuel filter installed. Now, let's fire this baby up. Might have to prime it, but it's all right. Make sure there's no fuel leaking. We got no fuel leaking. Well, that's gonna do it, guys. Thank you for watching. Change your fuel filters. I'm guessing this has probably been original to the car. You guys have a good one. See you on the next one.